Hey everyone, the Xiaomi Pad 7S Pro is shaping up to be a highly refined and performance-focused tablet, poised to challenge Apple's iPad Air series in both design and functionality. Ahead of its expected launch later this month in China, Xiaomi has been slowly revealing key details that position the device as more than just a standard Android tablet. It's a full-featured productivity and entertainment machine built around premium hardware and thoughtful ecosystem integration. One of the standout features of Pad 7S Pro is its use of the custom Xring O1 chip, the same proprietary processor that powers Xiaomi's top-tier Pad 7 Ultra. While Xiaomi hasn't fully detailed the chip's capabilities yet, its presence suggests enhanced performance, particularly in rendering graphics, multitasking, and managing external accessories. The Xring O1 is also central to enabling a more advanced cross-device and in-car experience, distinguishing the 7S Pro from other Android tablets currently available. The device comes equipped with a large 12.5-inch LCD display, which maintains a uniform narrow bezel on all four sides and curved corners for a sleek, modern look. While it's not an old panel, Xiaomi is expected to optimize the display for vivid color and fluid performance, ideal for streaming, digital drawing, and extended productivity sessions. The Pad 7S Pro's chassis is incredibly slim at just 5.8 millimeters, and the all-metal unibody build further reinforces its premium aspirations. It supports the Xiaomi Pen stylus, offering a digital canvas for note-takers and creatives alike. On the software side, Xiaomi confirms the tablet will ship with HyperOS 2.0, built on top of Android 15. This means the Pad 7S Pro will feature a more desktop-like interface, improved multitasking, windowed apps, and possibly even better keyboard-mouse support. To complement this, Xiaomi is including a new floating keyboard accessory with an aluminum hinge and a large built-in trackpad. The magnetic keyboard adds a layer of productivity and ergonomics, turning the tablet into a convincing laptop alternative. Battery life and charging speed also receive a major boost. The tablet is powered by a massive 12,160 mAh battery, which Xiaomi pairs with 120-watt ultra-fast charging. This combination ensures that the Pad 7S Pro not only lasts through long workdays or binge-watching marathons, but can also be fully recharged in a fraction of the time most tablets take. It's a major convenience feature, especially for mobile professionals and students who depend on rapid top-ups. What's particularly interesting about the Pad 7S Pro is its intended utility beyond the desk. Thanks to the Xring O1 platform, it's expected to support in-vehicle rear seat mounting, a use case the more expensive Pad 7 Ultra didn't offer. This makes it an attractive choice for families or those who want a flexible entertainment or productivity hub in the car. From what we've seen so far, Xiaomi is positioning the Pad 7S Pro not merely as a trimmed-down version of its Ultra model, but as a versatile, well-balanced alternative for users who want performance, portability, and thoughtful extras. Its metal construction, advanced accessories, and cutting-edge software features make it a likely standout in the premium Android tablet space. The upcoming launch, expected to coincide with the debut of the Redmi K80 Ultra and Redmi K Pad, could establish Xiaomi's latest slate as a flagship-grade device with a strong appeal to power users, students, and professionals alike. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.